My name is Hadass. I want to invite you to my free short Hebrew lesson where we'll explore the most beautiful beaches in Israel and learn some Hebrew together. I always tell my students, you learn best when you're doing something you love. So what could be better than taking a virtual tour of Israel? From the Sea of Galilee and its cool breezes to the healing mud of the Dead Sea and the fresh fish at the port of Jaffa, you will learn the Hebrew names of places, colors, and even food, all in one short lesson. Just click the link to get my short free lesson and deepen your connection to Israel and its beautiful language. See you there. להתראות.